Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello beginners, welcome to the second part of Tell Time video. You've already learned the lesson on the previous video, and now we're going to show you how we sometimes practice English in the shopping center. Actually, you don't have to do exactly the same as I did, but this activity can be fun sometimes when you're doing it with your children. When you're not at the shopping center, of course you can practice telling time on your own at home. With your own clocks on your own wall, you have all time all day to practice English. Just let me know if the lesson is good for you and you can take advantage from it. And you know that I'm going to keep sharing English lesson, so that's why you better be waiting. Please subscribe this channel. You will get immediate notification from my latest video. And I must say a really big thank you for all of my subscribers for being very supportive. Keep learning English until you can. Here we are. Finally found lots of clocks, so let's get started. It's 10:16. You can also say it's 16 past 10. It's 10:08. You can also say it's 8 past 10. It's 10:10. You can also say it's 10 past 10. It's 11:52. You can also say it's 8 to 12. It's 10:02. You can also say it's 2 past 10. It's 6:58. You can also say it's 2 to 7. It's 12 o'clock, but sometimes you hear people saying it 1200. It's 10:22. You can also say it's 22 past 10. It's 1:50. You can also say it's 10 to 2. It's 10 past 10. I think we have already mentioned that before. So moving on to the next clock. It's 10:05. You can also say it's 5 past 10. It's 12:01. You can also say it's 1 past 12. It's 12:45. You can also say it's 1:45. It's 7:56. You can also say it's 4 to 8. It's 10:23. You can also say it's 23 past 10. It's 11:52. You can also say it's 8 to 12. What a cute clock. It's 1:53. You can also say it's 7 to 2. Moving on to the owl clock. It's 12:32. You can also say it's 28 to 1. It's 10:32. You can also say it's 28 to 11. It's 12:15. You can also say it's 12:15. It's 12:43. You can also say it's 17 to 1. You really know what time it is now. It's 12 o'clock and it's already mentioned before. Please subscribe this channel. You will get immediate notification from my latest video. Follow me on Facebook or Instagram. It's at farah.new. Also my Twitter account, it's at farahnormal. Back into the lesson again. It's 2:05. You can also say it's 5 past 2. See this tutorial clock? Both of my children were surprised to see this. It's 7:29, or you can also say it's 29 past 7. Now let's practice saying time using AM PM. But before, I have special info for you guys. Need an English tutor? Here's the info.
Harvard Cinderella, tempat les bahasa Inggris di Bandung yang sudah berpengalaman selama lebih dari 30 tahun mengajar bahasa Inggris, sekarang dapat kamu akses secara online. Ada banyak level yang bisa kamu pilih untuk kamu belajar SD, SMP, SMA, atau sudah kuliah dan sudah bekerja. Tinggal disesuaikan aja dengan jenjang pendidikan kamu saat ini. Jadwalnya fleksibel, ada banyak pilihan waktu, dan bisa kamu sesuaikan dengan kesibukan kamu. Jadi, kalau kamu sibuk untuk pergi ke tempat les bahasa Inggris, sekarang kamu bisa pilih belajar secara online. Dan di aplikasi ini, kamu bisa bebas pilih tutornya. Tapi nggak cuma secara online, kamu juga bisa belajar bahasa Inggris secara offline di aplikasi Harvard Cinderella ini. Caranya sama, gampang. Tinggal pilih tutornya dan pilih jadwal yang sesuai dengan jadwal kamu dan jadwal tutor kamu. So, tunggu apa lagi? Ayo buruan gabung, pesan kelas sekarang juga. Belajar bahasa Inggris sama aku, Miss Rara, di aplikasi Harvard Cinderella. Bisa kamu download di www.harvardcinderella.com atau di app.harvardcinderella.com, www.harvardcinderella.com atau di app.harvardcinderella.com. Let's start learning English because it's time to speak English. I'll see you there very soon. Bye!
That's right. And now it's the right time to tell time in English. It's 1:12 p.m. You can also say it's 12 past 1 in the afternoon. That was p.m. Now we're going to try to use a.m. Say it's 12:20 a.m. You can also say it's 20 past 12 at midnight. Say this clock with a.m. It's 7:33 a.m. You can also say it's 27 to 8 in the morning. Say it's 12:03 p.m. which you can also say it's 3 past 12 in the afternoon. Now try this one, it's 5:41 a.m. And you can also say it's 19 to 6 in the morning. With this clock, I can't see the long and short hands very clearly. It's 10:31 p.m. And you can also say it's 29 to 11 at night. One very cool table clock, a retro style one. Thought of buying it, but looked at the price. As much as spending on jumbo clock. And the table clock is taking up a lot of space, so just put it back. It's 2:07 p.m. p.m. means it is 7 past 2 in the afternoon. It's 3:13 a.m. which you can also say it's 13 past 3 at almost dawn. It's 8:26 p.m. which you can also say that it is 26 past 8 in the evening. It's 3:03 p.m. It's the same when you say it 3 past 3 in the afternoon. Now hopefully you can differentiate and use AM and PM correctly. The more you practice, the more often you tell time in English, the more perfect comprehension you will get. It's 12 o'clock AM. It's the same when you say it's 12 o'clock at midnight. It's 5:02 AM, or you can say it's 2 past 5 at dawn or in the morning. It's 5:32 p.m. and you can also say it's 28 to 6 at dusk. It's 3:41 p.m. You can also say it's 19 to 4 in the afternoon. Beginners, this is the end of Telling Time Lesson Part 2. Thank you for watching. Happy Eid Mubarak 1442 Hijriah. And I will be back with my special Mudik story. So goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Watch these two final clocks. It's 4:27 a.m. It's 27 past 4 at dawn. It's 12:49 p.m. It's the same when you say it's 11 to 1 in the afternoon.